In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, architectural patterns play a crucial role in shaping robust and maintainable applications. One such pattern that has gained significant popularity is MVVM, which stands for Model View ViewModel. MVVM is not just an acronym, it represents a paradigm that promotes the separation of concerns, making code more modular and easier to manage. In this article, we will delve into the core concepts of MVVM and explore its advantages in modern application development. 1. The essence of MVVM. At its core, MVVM is an architectural design pattern that divides an application into three main components: model, view, and ViewModel. The model represents the application's data and business logic, the view is responsible for presenting the user interface, and the ViewModel acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. This separation allows for a clean and organized code structure. 2. Model, where data resides. The model component of MVVM encapsulates the data and business logic of the application. It represents the core structure and functionality without any knowledge of the user interface. This separation ensures that the data remains independent of the way it is presented, facilitating easier testing and maintenance. 3. The view, user interface representation. The view in MVVM is responsible for presenting the user interface and capturing user input. Unlike traditional architectures, the view in MVVM is kept as lightweight as possible, containing minimal code related to business logic. This enables easier design changes without affecting the underlying application logic. 4. ViewModel, bridging the gap. The ViewModel serves as a bridge between the model and the view. It exposes data and commands required by the view, transforming the data from the model into a format that can be easily presented by the view. This layer effectively decouples the user interface from the underlying data and business logic, making the application more modular and adaptable to change. 5. Advantages of MVVM. MVVM offers several advantages for modern software development. Firstly, it promotes code reusability by separating concerns, allowing developers to reuse models and view models in different parts of the application. Secondly, it enhances testability by isolating business logic from the user interface. Lastly, MVVM facilitates collaboration between designers and developers, as designers can work on the user interface independently without affecting the application's core functionality. In conclusion, MVVM stands as a powerful paradigm in the realm of software architecture. Its clear separation of concerns and promotion of modularity make it a valuable choice for building scalable and maintainable applications. As technology continues to advance, embracing patterns like MVVM becomes essential for developers aiming to create robust and adaptable software solutions.